Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video because I didn't really think there was anything really growing in my garden, but apparently my mom just picked one of the cucumbers, and here it is. That is got to be one of the biggest cucumbers that I think I've ever grown. That is huge. Oh, this all organic too, and the spots right here. All that is just a little bit of sun damage. That's nothing to worry about. Sun scalding. But look at, oh my gosh. This is just great. Just prime example on what you can do with an organic garden. So I just figured I'd show that to you guys. And anyway, I'm going to go cut this in half, give half of this to my mom, and head out. But I'll catch you guys later. Peace and love, guys.